Welcome back to Future Phone Flash. Today, we're delving into the potential cost changes for Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 lineup. We'll explore what's driving these shifts and what they might mean for consumers. The price puzzle. Apple's costs for making the iPhone 15 Pro Max skyrocketed by 12%, as reported by Nikkei Asia. This surge was fueled by pricier components, with the 15 Pro inching up by 8%, the Plus by 10%, and the standard model leaping by a whopping 16%. While these hikes haven't yet translated into higher retail prices, speculation is rife that Apple could adjust prices to safeguard its bottom line. Capturing photos cameras, whispers in the tech world suggest that the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max might flaunt more expensive cameras, potentially driving up the price tags. Insights from Economic Daily hint at the incorporation of advanced molded glass lenses to elevate both aesthetics and optical zoom capabilities. Pricing crystal ball. There's a buzz around possible iPhone 16 price points. Some sources hint at a potential drop thanks to innovative cost-cutting methods in chipset production. However, these are merely speculations, and the actual pricing remains an enigma. Wrapping up, as we eagerly anticipate Apple's fall reveal, keep an eye out for updates on iPhone 16 pricing and features. Remember to hit like and subscribe to Future Phone Flash for more tech insights. Until next time.